secular cooling that must someday overtake our planet has already gone, far indeed with our neighbor. Its physical condition is still largely a mystery, but we now know that even in its equatorial region, the midday temperature barely approaches that of our coldest winter. Its air is much more attenuated than ours. Its oceans have shrunk until they cover but a third of its surface. And as its now slow seasons change, huge snowcaps gather and melt about either pole and periodically indunate its temperature zones. The last stage of exhaustion, which is to us still incredibly remote, has become a present-day problem for the inhabitants of Mars. The immediate pressure of necessity has brightened their intellects, enlarged their powers, and hardened their hearts. And looking across space with instruments and intelligences such as we have scarcely dreamed of, they see at its nearest distance, only 35 millions of miles sunward of them, a morning star of hope, our own warmer planet, green with vegetation and grey with water, with a cloudy atmosphere equivalent of fertility, with glimpses through its drifting cloud, wisps of broad stretches of populous country and narrow navy clouded seas. Yet so vain is man, and so blinded by his vanity, that no winter, up to the very end of the 19th century, expressed any idea that intelligent life might have developed there far, or indeed at all, beyond its earthly level. Nor was it generally understood that since Mars is older than our Earth, with scarcely a quarter of the superficial area, and remoter from the Sun, it necessarily follows that it's not only more distant from time, its beginning, but nearer its end.